Hi, and welcome to For the Love of Organizing. I'm Laura, and I share my tips on creating a home and a life you'll love. I had the pleasure of co-hosting a sprinkle for a family member, which is essentially a baby shower for a mother who is expecting her second child. Of course, there were lots of DIYs involved, so let's jump in. Paper crafting played a big role in the sprinkle, starting with this wreath on the front door. This was my mom's first time making paper flowers, and I think she did a fantastic job. I'll link to the template we found online below. Now we also added silk flowers and costume pearls to the center of each flower. Now for the ultimate paper crafting project that the entire family helped with for days leading up to the sprinkle, we created these massive flowers for a pretty photo backdrop. We removed the TV from our mantle, and one by one, the flowers took over the space. Now all credit goes to Ash and Crafts for the flower pattern and tutorial, which I'll share below. The flower arrangements were quite the adventure for us. We cut these hydrangeas ourselves and then added store-bought pink carnations and baby's breath, so they were super affordable. I used a favorite cupcake recipe, which I'll share below, and thanks to YouTube, I learned how to frost the tops of these cupcakes to look like roses. Now they're not perfect, but it wasn't bad for my first try. I also tinted the frosting to match the flower arrangements. We had chocolate dipped strawberries, which my mom supplied, and these pretty pink cookies were a Pinterest recipe that I'll link to below. They always make for cute photos and looked so sweet on the silver tray. Now in the dining room, we went with the sprinkle theme with this clear umbrella that we purchased on Amazon. We added silk flowers using wire and just hung it from the chandelier with a ribbon. My wonderful mother provided the tablecloth and prepared everything you see on the table. She was a lifesaver. So chicken salad sandwiches, fruit kebabs, a cheese and cracker tray, and she also made cream cheese cucumber tea sandwiches. In the kitchen, we had pink lemonade and Pinterest punch. Here's a look at the gift table. It was a successful sprinkle with lots of love. Thank goodness I wasn't in charge of the games. Those were a huge hit, of course, and every guest left with a little goodie bag complete with a cute colored nail polish. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have really missed you all. I'm pretty active on Instagram and Facebook if you want to keep up with me there until my next upload. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.